outside our base, bro.
Wait, what?
Got you, hold on.
The town, like, right next to us.
Yeah.
They locked.
See this town that you can build in C3? Yeah, the gate here that's unlocked.
Let's do it. It's probably silver right now, bro.
I think I have a screwdriver on me. I just need to make a I have a bobby pin too. Yeah, I'm gonna start lockpicking this shit.
See if you can get it.
Yes, sir!
Yes, sir!
Yeah, bro. I just need screwdrivers.
I'm headed there now.
It's a gold lock. Oh god, it's a gold lock.
Okay.
That shit instantly snapped.
Bring the screwdrivers, bro. The only way we're gonna get our XP up is by doing it.
Yeah, either way, if you pass or fail, it counts towards experience.
Yeah, on the actual locks, not on the training board.
Oh my god, it's really hard. Bring gloves too, because it's electric. Yeah, I wonder what he's hiding in there.
We have insulated rubber ones, yeah. Yeah.
Oh, you could just bow this shit out, actually. We could probably climb through this window.
Wait, what town? The Gray Circle town?
Yeah.
Alright, who's gonna do it? Who's got the best shit? Alright.
Ooh, there's an
Yeah.
There's an assault backpacker right here too.
I'm coming to you, but I can't take it.
I have the assault backpack.
No, actually I could swap. I have a
just
school
swapped.
backpack.
I just swapped, huh? I'm not full, but
I'm for you.
Bless you.
Thank you, Trevor. You get it, Trevor. You're the realest one here.
I'm just gonna, no, come down. I'm gonna just lay in the bush and just like watch, support if I need to.
Oh, dude, we should just door camp him. You know he's coming back. He's out right now, probably farming, because I don't see anybody in there.
Or he's offline.
Yeah,
waste of time.
Shut the fuck up, you fucking bitch.
Yeah, I gotta wait for my hypothermia to cool down real quick. It's still in stabilization.
Yeah, food and 15 out of 15 thread. Thanks.
Fuck, I maintained the fire without. I wanted to see what its health was. So the health is 197 to 200 on this gate that he has.
Dude, it's been nighttime forever.
197 to 200, and then the other one's full health.
Yeah, but that doesn't even go in there, does it?
Then there's a bonfire here, but I fucking maintained it by accident.
Well, let's make sure there's like actually shit here first.
I see a box. You just look at the front door. Kind of hard to see though. Yeah, Phoenix.
Hold on.
What are you doing? Just trying to jump in.
Yeah, we can do this over.
You know, man. The door is locked anyway. How are you gonna get in?
What do you mean? The door is just to the. Wait.
The door's locked.
That is the door, yeah.
Yeah, see, look, he's got that door. It's unlocked. Fucking retard. Now this window over here, on the other hand, you might be able to jump through this window.
I have it.
Phoenix, come over here. We might be able to jump through this window.
Yeah.
Here, jump on my head.
This window. You can't fit through that window.
Yeah, you can. You can
No-
boost through that
no
window.
shot.
I've climbed through these windows before. Let's go.
Alrighty, hold on.
Push me in there.
A crossbow and what?
I don't
Oh,
think you can
crossbow.
break that.
Wait, a crossbow and bolts or crossbow bolts? Okay.
Hey, I don't think you can break that.
There's 7 of them. That's it. Okay. I don't know if I can hold 2 crossbows, if I'm being honest. I'm gonna try real quick.
Okay, jump on my head, see if you can glitch me in. Or vice versa.
Yeah, I can't hold 2 crossbows. I can hold 1. Well, actually, never mind. Hold on. Yeah, I can hold 2. Yeah. Alright,
Hey,
I'm coming.
bitch, get over here.
What?
See if I can
You can't
get in this
boost.
corner and crouch. Get in this corner and crouch. I want to see what
Can't
glitches
boost
me
this
in
game.
like we did in the cave. Oh, wait.
Well, if you get in, no, bro, if you get in there, you're fucked.
No, I can climb through the window and I'll just throw shit out. Come on this
You
side.
can climb through that.
Nah.
Where is this? Which town is this? Okay.
What do I do?
But
Doing something.
buildings? Throw something. What?
Wait, I don't. Wait, are we like sure there's something in here?
No. It's good practice.
I really don't see anything.
Yeah, someone was riding a bicycle and fucked me up around our base there.
They do, right? Like. Yeah, if you get in that corner and crouch real quick, I want to I want to see if this works. So when I jump forward, it pushes me back, right? Oh, hey, actually something was working there.
No way.
What?
Where? Right here.
No fucking way. So this guy definitely has stuff in his base.
It's locked. It's locked.
Yeah, it's locked like the car.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's probably a silver, bro.
Can someone come over here and kill this wolf, please? I'm right next to the house, but behind it. I have 2 crossbows. So
Yeah, we gotta loot it. Alright, Trevor, we gotta use their crossbows to shoot at that guy's thing. We'll climb through the window. He's definitely loaded, see.
no, yeah, it's right behind me.
Can't see it.
Ah, fuck. Thank you. Holy shit. Oh my god. I just ran out of stamina. Yeah, look at us being all stealthy, Hank.
No
What?
way.
We got it.
Goated,
Gold
dude.
block? Bro, you gotta go get his fucking base then. His base is
Let's
gold block
go.
too.
Just go
Dude,
right there.
fucking good shit. I'm putting. Should I put the crossbows in the car
actually-
or?
Oh, he's got hella gas in this bitch.
Good shit.